Well, we're back out at Arthur's again. I've come out to get a bit of scrap, and back in January I posted a video of these old British Leyland trucks he's got out here, and thinking a few people might be interested, and over 12,000 people have looked at it since January, which is pretty incredible. So I thought, while I'm out here, I'll do a bit more footage, and people who are interested can have a bit of a look at these old trucks, and I'll climb inside and have a bit of a look and just see what's going on. I know some people obviously like this stuff, so yep, we'll see what we can do to help them out. Right, we'll have a bit of a closer look inside the cab. Alright, we're in the cab, and of course there's no seats. There's, in fact, there's not much of anything really. You can see some of the controls that are here. The instrument panel's been removed. Looks like the motor's been taken out of this old girl. And here we have a whole lot of gearboxes. Just lying around, ready to be put back into somebody's truck that they're restoring. As you can see, Arthur's got a lot of spare Leyland parts here.